Hello everyone, I hope all is well. Tonight in the 11th shave of Christmas, what shaving gave to me, Christmas Eve by Stirling Soap Company. Obviously I'm coming to you from a different location than usual. I'm visiting with family here in Alabama, and for tonight's shave I have everything that I need in this little expedition pouch. So everything I'm going to need for the shaves in here. Just going to open it up a little bit and show you what's in here. So first of all, I have my soap, which is the Christmas Eve from the Stirling Soap Company. So what's nice about the Stirling soap samples is you can actually peel the labels off the top of the like shrink wrap that they're in, and then put them on top of a smaller container like this and just use them as a label for a little container like this. And I bought a lot of these containers off of Amazon. I'll roll in a link to where you can get these little containers on Amazon. Stirling sells containers. I'm not sure if they have any this small. They have a couple of the green ones that are a little larger, but anyway, I'll show you the ones off of Amazon. If there are any on Stirling, I'll roll those in as well. We'll also be using a Stirling unscented beard balm. And just kind of hold up the Maxpedition case here. So I've got my blades here, my brush here, my handle here, my aftershave here, and the head of the razor there. So the splash will also be Christmas Eve from Stirling. And the brush we're using is, I'm gonna forget the actual name of this, I have to roll it in, but it's Omega. It's like a mini mixed mini, I think it's called, or something like that. So it's a mixture of badger and boar hair. And it's a little travel size brush, a little teeny thing. So we're gonna try that out. I've got the brush soaking. And again, it's that Omega Mixed Midget, I think it may be called, or Mixed Midget, something like that. So get a Persona Red blade out here. Be its first use. And we're going to put that inside of the DLC Yaqi head that we've used before, the double open comb head from Yaqi. Same people make Yaqi brushes. So if I get that up here on the video, we will just drop the razor blade onto the head. Put the base plate on, and I'm using the same blue Maggard's handle I used when I used the previous usage of the Yaqi DLC. So if you just check the description below, I'll have links to all the products. So again, Stirling Christmas Eve, got it in this little container, sample size container. You can get multiple shaves from a Stirling sample. So let's go in here and load off of this little puck. This one has a little mini travel brush, comes in handy here. So I don't have the notes in front of me on the Christmas Eve, but it's got several notes that would remind you of Christmas, most notably, like evergreen trees, but I also think there's some other scents associated with the season. I'll roll them below here and also put them in the description. I get cinnamon, definitely the evergreen, like Christmas tree smell. Maybe a little bit of orange in there too, not for sure. Okay, the brush is significantly loaded. Let's go in here and work on a face lather. This is a tiny little brush, but seems to be doing the job so far. sufficient for a travel shave with this mini brush, which I haven't, in fact, I think this is the first time I've used this brush. No, it is. So I've not had a chance to break it in good, being a natural bristle brush. And go here with the first pass with the green. Okay, that first pass went great as usual. Great performance off of the Stirling Soap Company soap. Let's go back in here for the second pass, and I'll probably speed this one up for you and get to the third and then pick up pass and then give you my final impressions of the soap and the splash and this brush and the razor. Okay, as you might expect, the Stirling soap did great. The Christmas Eve, great scent, makes you definitely think of Christmas. Enjoyed it quite a bit. So now we're going to go with the Stirling Soap Company Splash in the little sample size. My favorite things about Stirling Soap Company is their sample sizes are very generous, particularly for the price, in my opinion, and you can get several shaves out of them. Same Christmas scent off of the splash, maybe even more evergreen. This smells like you want a Christmas tree to smell. Freshly cut fir or cedar, pine. Oh, it smells great. All right, and while I don't have any balm with me, in terms of balm for post-shave, I've got Stirling's unscented beard balm here. These are new from them, and they come with, I think they're Dunlop picks from Stirling. You can see that. So you can scrape out some here of the beard balm. And what I like to do with the beard balm is I put a little drop of the aftershave in there with it. So we got an unscented beard balm. Work this together in the hands. Incorporate the Christmas Eve scent. Make sure the balm all gets liquefied. And run that little go-to. I'm also going to use it sort of as a aftershave balm. And I'm just going to use a little bit more of this just to kind of lock in that scent and thin out the balm on my face a little bit. And there's actually one more thing in this little Maxpedition case. I've got the Cremo Bourbon and Oak Solid Cologne. Get a little of that out of there. Rub a little behind the ears and on the neck. Yeah. Great shave, great performance on the Stirling soap as usual. That smells great. I may order a full puck of that for next Christmas season. It really smells like an evergreen tree. Although I really love the coniferous they have as a different shaving soap, just the coniferous name or coniferous variant of their soap. But this one had added some other Christmas notes too, like cinnamon, nutmeg, orange. I'll put the notes in the description. The Yaqi double open comb head did great again on this Maggard's handle. The splash was great, the Christmas Eve splash. And the unscented beard balm, also great. And I really like the smell of this Cremo Bourbon and Oak cologne, solid cologne. So thanks for watching this travel 11th shave of Christmas shave. I'll see you for the special 12th shave of Christmas in the next video. See you then.